Hello friends, again welcome back to our YouTube channel Struggle to Satisfaction. And in today's video we're going to discuss about insulation. So in today's topic we are discussing about what is insulation, type of insulation, how to give a insulation spec, and how to give the insulation thickness. Okay, so let's begin the video. So as you can see here, I'm just taking an example of a line. This is a line number 6 inch dash RA dash 1054 dash 9S0 and dash H. So as you can see, the last alphabet is representing the insulation type. Okay, so first of all you should understand that what does it mean. So for that purpose you need to go to the legend PNID. Okay, in the legend PNID you can see there is an insulation type is given. So for bare pipe it will be N, symbol will be N. For hot insulation it will be H. So in our case the insulation is of hot insulation, right? So first information we will get that what type of insulation is it? It's a hot insulation, correct? Now the second information that we need is, I will show you an example. See here in the in your ISO the insulation spec is written as H. So how does it represent in the isometric? It is represented in this form. Like this black solid line is your normal process line, and this dotted line on top of the solid line is representing the insulation. Okay, now let's go to the 3D model. So I have two equipment. Okay, it's a sample project only, so definitely we don't have that insulation, particularly H, but I will show you how to add the insulation and how to bring it in the 3D model. Okay, so this is your two equipment. Now I am going to connect a pipe from this equipment to this equipment. So let's begin with our piping. So I have to be on my piping zone. I have to be on the piping discipline. Okay, now I have to go to piping, create a new pipe like this. So this is your pipe creator form is available here. Okay, now before that what you need to do is you need to identify the size of the nozzle. Okay, so for that purpose what I'm going to do is, let's go to the equipment. This is equipment number 8, this is nozzle number 1, and I will type a command qpara. This will give me the information about the size of the nozzle and the type of the nozzle, what rating and what face of the nozzle is it. So it's a flange, 300 raised face and 300 rating, correct? So for this exam, in this case, now let's create our pipe. So go to zone of the pipe, click type here, 4 inch is the pipe size, and let us take A3B spec dash 10250 dash, and our insulation will be, now what type of insulation is there? It's a H. So you will find that insulation here. So this is a training AVEVA training module. So in this you will not get the insulation H. So for example I will take this as 30 mm fiberglass. Okay, 30 mm fiberglass, right? So let us take A3B spec, bore will be your 100, right? Now the most important thing that you need to consider here is the temperature value. If the temperature value is not as per the line list, so there is one more important document you should consider is a line list. Now what information you will get from line list? You will get the insulation thickness, correct? You will get insulation type from the PNID, and you will get the insulation thickness from the line list. Okay, so just remember these words. Now I am giving a dummy value of 100 degrees Celsius, correct? I will type here 30 mm fiber glass is my insulation type, just for your reference. Okay, now press enter, apply. Once you applied, your pipe is created with a branch 1. Now what you need to do is you need to select the nozzle, click on this nozzle, click on the branch tail, click on this arrow and click on this nozzle, right? So your head and tail both are connected. Now let's begin with the modeling of a pipe. So just go to create component form. So your first component will be your gasket. Click on the gasket, click on create. So your gasket is created here at the head point. Flange, weld neck flange, create. It will be created here. Elbow, let us take a 90-degree elbow, create. Give some spool, right? Again create one more elbow. This will be a simple routing just to show you how to add the insulation, right? Modify, you need to rotate this. Again click one more elbow, 90-degree, click on the create button, modify through ID cursor, click on this nozzle, rotate it by 90-degree, one more elbow, create. I will type direction down and it is connected with this nozzle, right? Fine. And after that you need to put a gas flange, weld neck, create, gasket and create. Then you need to go to backward, connect, next connect and forward, right? This is how you're gonna do the piping. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to add the insulation. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, first of all, how to check the insulation. So you have to type a command qi spec. So this is a command to check the insulation I spec, whether the insulation is given it or not. If it is not given, then it will be showing you I spec null ref. Okay, if it is given, then you can see the insulation type. Then after that, what you need to do, you have to go to tools, sorry, view, graphics. Here you have to see insulation. Usually it will be off. So what you need to do, you have to see if it is off, it seems to be like this. Okay, so what you need to do is, you have to go to representation, insulation on, make it 50% and apply. So you can see now there is a insulation coming. Okay, so this is how you are gonna add the insulation in any pipe, or you can see how the insulation is coming. Now what is the purpose of doing this? This will help you in clash check. So make sure that whenever you do the clash check, it will help you to identify the clashes between any pipe insulation to any solid or soft components. Soft component means insulation to insulation clash. If insulation is clashing with any hard component can be anything like any component or any steel section or any equipment, anything hard. So that is soft to hard to soft clash, right? So there are different types of clash. SS clash means soft to soft, like insulation to insulation, obstruction to obstruction. Those are called as soft to soft. One is called as hard to hard, hard to hard, HH. Okay, one is called as HH and the other one is called as HS, hard to soft. Like any elbow is clashing with the insulation, or any elbow is clashing with the obstruction, or any obstruction is clashing with a steel member. So that is your hard to soft. So any of these errors, any of these clash cannot be ignored, right? So in this similar fashion, you added the insulation. In the similar fashion, you have to on the obstruction also, like 50%. Okay, and then click apply. So once you click apply, you will find the clashes between any obstruction. So I hope this will clear your doubt in the insulation, and you can now create any insulation or giving any insulation. Okay, if you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to reply that. Till then, bye bye, take care.